Hey Money Maximalist! With everyone's expenses increasing in today's economy, a single income job is hardly enough. Having a side hustle to earn extra cash has become a necessity in so many households across the globe. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to replace your 9-to-5, you're trying to keep your head above water, or you simply want to maximize your money, we're going to explore 10 side hustle ideas for extra cash. Before we dive into the list, be sure to click the like button and subscribe for more side hustle videos like this. Number 10. Become a consultant. Suppose you specialize in a particular field of work, for example, real estate or finance. In that case, you can offer consultancy services to those who need it. You could either offer one-on-one services or create an online program that allows you to serve many customers at once. Becoming a consultant doesn't require any formal training. All you need is experience in a specific niche. Number 9. Rent out your spare bedroom. If you have a bedroom to spare, you can always rent it out to someone who needs it. It is better to earn extra cash off of your extra room instead of storing your junk in it. Websites like Airbnb provide a platform for people looking for a temporary space for a night or two. Just remember to check with your city or homeowners association to make sure renting out your room or entire house is permitted. Number 8. Flipping couches. Couch flipping has become somewhat of a trend lately. All you do is find people giving away or selling good quality sofas by going to thrift stores, garage sales, and estate sales. Purchase at a super low price and resell on sites like OfferUp, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Most of the time, people leave old furniture on the curb in the hopes of someone taking them away. Keep your eyes open for gems and you can profit big off this side hustle. Number 7. Online surveys. Many successful companies got where they are today by listening to what their ideal customers want. They are in the business of research and development. They're constantly looking for people who can fill out their surveys so they can better serve their audience. The best part? These companies are willing to pay you for your honest opinions. Just be careful, as not all surveys are created equal. Number 6. Freelance writer. Many businesses are looking for freelance writers who can write, edit, and proofread creative or specialized articles for them. Like almost everything else on this list, choosing a niche is what helps you stand out amongst the many other writers out there. Leverage your past experiences to find your unique niche and watch the money roll in. If you're enjoying this list so far, click the like button. Number 5. Translator. If you are well versed in more than one language, you can start a side hustle as a translator. There are many companies and firms who look for translators for all sorts of documents, ranging from legal papers to contracts or books. You can apply for the position and find clients easily through freelance websites like Fiverr and Upwork. Number 4. Photography. Anyone with a professional camera and an eye for photography can get paid to take pictures. Even though everyone seems to have a camera nowadays, there's still money to be made. The only equipment you need is a DSLR, 1 or 2 high-quality lenses, and a niche. The more you get into it, the more refined your skills will become, thus driving more demand for your services. Number 3. Provide a service. Similar to number 1, if you have a skill that you can provide to others, there are people willing to pay for it. For example, if you know your way around electricity circuits, work as a handyman, or know how to paint a house, you can provide that service for a fee. The list of services is endless. You need to find what you're good at and what people need, then charge for it. Number 2. Blogging. Being a blogger may feel like a snail in a Formula 1 race, but as long as you stay consistent, provide value, and focus on growing your audience, the money will follow. Although running a blog has drastically changed over the last couple of years, there's still money to be made. In fact, dedicated bloggers are racking in $20,000 to $30,000 every single month. The key to being a successful blogger is choosing something you enjoy writing about and has an audience willing to read it. Always provide value and it'll pay off in the long run. Number 1. Teach a skill. You can teach a number of skills online, such as painting, cooking, auto repair, swimming, or even resume writing. Teaching what you know is growing in popularity every day as more and more people embrace online learning. With the power of the internet, you can now reach a number of people around the world who look forward to learning at their own pace and from the comfort of their own home. Whether online or in person, you can teach your unique skills and be rewarded handsomely. So, there you have it, 10 side hustles to earn extra cash. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for videos that help you maximize your money. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.